Welcome to this spacious bedroom, designed for comfort and modern elegance. At its heart, a beautiful double bed and a cozy lounge area create the perfect spot to relax and enjoy your favorite shows. Through the bay window, a stunning view opens onto the football field, and from the balcony, the panorama becomes truly breathtaking. A 26-meter by 10-meter swimming pool, bordered by a wide sun deck, an elegant garden lounge, and the lush nature of Madagascar. From the master suite, access to the bathroom is quick and convenient. The design is bright and refined, featuring a walk-in Italian shower with a large window overlooking the greenery, and a stylish bathtub resting on a bed of white pebbles, an invitation to pure relaxation. The tour continues into the dressing room, a modern, light-filled space with plenty of drawers and wardrobes, perfectly designed to showcase and organize your wardrobe. Here, every moment is a moment to relax, recharge, and simply feel at home.